International Festival of Arts and Ideas is an international event. This year, on Tuesday, June 20th, I was picked as one of 3 influencers speaking about making a difference over the age of 40 in the world. At the International Festival of Arts and Ideas, New Haven, Connecticut, I am one of the guest speakers today, and I will bring you more later. Lisafranco wrote the book, My Dearest Darling. Wendy Battles is the curator of Reinventionrebels, a podcast. And I am Ellen Pankey, GQUAT Traditions, YouTube and social media influencer. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.